So it's finally official. Samsung today sent out invites to its next Unpacked event, which will officially take place on August 10th. And once again, it will be streamed on YouTube. And there will be no in-person component. Here are the timings for the event for different regions, and here is the official teaser for the event, which shows the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the tagline "Unfold Your World." Samsung chose the Z Flip as the face of the event rather than the more expensive Fold, which is interesting, to say the least. Anyway, if you are planning to buy either of the devices, then I have some good news for you. Samsung has already started offering great deals on its upcoming devices. To be clear, Samsung is launching the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Watch 5 and 5 Pro, and Galaxy Buds 2 Pro at the event. And if you pre-reserve either of these devices, then you're going to get some credit. To be specific, you'll get $100 if you pre-reserve either the Z Fold 4 or Flip 4, $50 for the Watch 5, and $30 for the Buds 2 Pro. If you opt to reserve all three devices, then it will qualify you for the full $200 credit. Note that this is double that of the S22, where they only offered $50 for pre-reserving the phone. Also, note that this is a no-commitment offer and you'll only need to provide your name and email address, and it's only available in select markets. Now, Samsung has also uploaded this video saying a new way to take a selfie is coming. Not really sure what that means, but if I were to guess, they are talking about some new update to the Flex mode. Also, here's an interesting update about the Galaxy S23 fee. I hope you know at this point that Samsung has cancelled the S22 fee. And now we exactly know why. South Korean sources have confirmed that due to the global chip shortage, Samsung had to make a tough decision. It could either increase the production of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is selling really well. In fact, the last time we heard, it was the best-selling Android phone in April, which is uncommon for a flagship phone to top the chart these days. The phone has already sold over 10 million units. So Samsung could either increase the S22 Ultra production to further meet the demand, launch the S22 fee instead. And they decided to sacrifice the S22 fee, which is certainly a good decision. But what about the S23 fee of next year? Well, the good news is Samsung hasn't scrapped the fee lineup, and they will most certainly launch the S23 fee in the second half of next year. But the chip shortage is still going to be an issue next year, so Samsung will only produce 3 million units of the handset. Anyway, the Unpacked event is less than 20 days away at this point, and I'll make sure to keep you updated with all the latest information, so do consider subscribing for that. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.